welcome back to Oyeyindoke's kitchen and welcome to day 2 of my vlogmas. Thank you to all my subscribers for watching my videos, and to the new subscribers, thank you guys for clicking on the red button to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and comment. On today's recipe, I'm making an amazingly delicious cake with simple ingredients. You'll be amazed what we're going to use today. So let's get to the ingredients. I do thank you for. So guys, for our delicious chocolate cake, oh yeah, I'll be making with Oreos. So we have Oreos here and baking powder and our swirl milk. And to do our toppings, we'll be using some chocolate, dark chocolate. So basically, these are all we need for our recipe today, and stay tuned and see how we process this. I do thank you guys for watching. So guys, so what we're going to do is to separate our Oreo cookies. Remember the chocolate, and then we'll take off the cream. So we're going to separate the Oreos, and that's what we're going to do. Take away the cream from the chocolate cookies. This recipe is very simple, that it doesn't require an oven to make. So if you don't have an oven, don't worry, you can still get your delicious dessert without an oven. And even if you don't want to do a stove top, you can still get delicious desserts without oven or stove. I know you'll be wondering what we are going to make the cake with. Just stay tuned to find out how we get to our cake, and I do thank you for watching. Guys, we've separated the cream from the dark chocolate Oreo, so we're going to use Ziploc bag. So I'm gonna set this aside and then toss it inside Ziploc bag. Snap it back all the way and make sure it's snap it all the way, and then get them and get up your rolling pin and smash them. Alright guys, so we are so done now. So guys, we are going to start by pouring in our crushed dark cookies, Oreo cookies, okay? Guys, the next thing, we'll get a teaspoon of baking powder. A teaspoon baking powder, toss it in. And then you mix together. So the next thing will be to pour in our milk. We have 250 ml. All right, so now we are going to mix together, and the next thing, we are going to get in the cream Oreo, you know, the cream inside Oreo cookies. So we add the cream and then you mix until smooth. Guys, you can see we are all ready and good to go. Everything is nicely mixed here, remember. So my pan is here. I'm going to grease my pan using vegetable oil. Make sure you grease nicely. And now the next thing will be with our parchment paper. Just make sure you get the size of your pan. You lay it nicely. And the next thing will be is to toss in our cake. Make sure you top nicely. I'm using a ceramic pan, so you can also use silicone pan. You can see the air inside it. All right, now that we are done with mixing our cake and getting it into the bowl, guess what? We are not going to bake. We are not going to use the oven or the stove. So we are going to pop it into the microwave and bake for 6 minutes. Woo! So guys, 6 minutes after, and this is our cake. It's very hot, okay? This is our cake. You can see already. So we're going to allow it to cool down, and then we're gonna get our toppings, bring it out from the pan, and you're going to see some deliciousness. Oh goodness. Woo! I'm so excited. All right guys, so now we are going to flip our cake. We're going to flip it over. Let's see how it looks. Woo! Ooh, 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 guys, this is amazing. Guys, you can see it's steaming hot, so I'm gonna allow it to cool down before we come and dribble some chocolates on top to give it the feel, you know, to give it the gourmet feeling, guys. So let's allow it to cool down, and I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, so the next thing will be for us to like top it in with some chocolates. Just make sure you cover everything nicely. And we're going to smoothen it out. Alright, so we're going to smoothen it out to make sure it covers so nicely. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is amazing, guys. Alright guys, so the next thing will be our remaining crushed cookies. So we are going to use it to like drizzle on top to give it some nice crunchy feel when you take a bite. Guys, tell me if this doesn't look like gourmet. It looks amazingly delicious. I'm super excited making this recipe because it's one of the easiest things. The testing time is here, and I'm going to do justice to it. Ooh la la! Oh my goodness! Just look at, so divine. So divine. So guys, I'm going to do justice to it, okay? Just look at. Oh my goodness. I want some more. Just look at, guys, look at. Look at. Your guests are really going to thank you, and your family is going to be wild. So this makes a very good dessert, and I tell you, you're going to enjoy it. Remember, I said it's very simple ingredients, 3 ingredients. You don't need an oven, you don't need to bake in the oven. Just with your microwave, 6 minutes, you're done. Voila, you have a very delicious, divinely delicious cake. I'm going to serve some to my kids and as well my husband. And I do thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, thumbs up for me, like, share, comment. So guys, this is very, very delicious, simple recipe. Oreo cookies, milk, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and you have an amazingly delicious cake, which makes for a good dessert for your Christmas menu. Try this recipe and I believe you're going to love it. And I want to use the opportunity to thank all of you for always watching my video. So don't forget to keep this time with me, same time tomorrow, 9 a.m. US time, and I do thank you for watching.